Let's unbox the Lathe single-form knurling tool holder from RAPID Tool Series F101. This tool is designed to work seamlessly on machines like Troub, sliding head, lathe, and Autolathe. With this tool, you can perform both plunge and feed knurling operations effortlessly. It allows you to create various knurling patterns. For plunge operations, straight, left hand, right hand, raised diamond, indented diamond, raised square, and indented square. For feed operations, straight left hand, right hand patterns. It's suitable for the form knurling method where there's no swarf removal, making your work cleaner and more efficient. The pin is made of carbide material for durability and easy changing. The body is crafted from alloy steel with blackodising to protect against rust. It's available in various sizes to suit your specific needs. So if you're looking for a reliable knurling tool holder, choose RAPID.